What's going on, YouTubers? This is MOPAR Man 1978. After priming the carburetor and having to change out, doing my diagnostics on this to find out why I didn't have any spark, found out the chrome factory ignition box, the 5-prong box, wasn't working. So I happen to have, that's the 5-prong there. I happen to have an identical 4-prong factory one. And I hooked it up, and then I had to clean the contacts inside the distributor cap and the rotor, and I rotated the engine to top dead center on compression stroke. Forgot that many months, maybe a year and a half ago, because this vehicle's been sitting in suspended animation, so to speak, a cocoon. I forgot I just set this distributor down in there to make sure mice or bugs or whatever didn't crawl down into the engine and build a nest or anything. Found out that it was the rotor was turned 180 degrees, so I turned it back in its position. And because the engine's been sitting a while and I didn't get a chance to rotate the engine, I rotated it today with all the spark plugs out, and I sprayed all the cylinders with penetrating oil. So when I start this up, you'll probably see a lot of smoke. That's from all the penetrating oil in each cylinder. Anyway, let's go ahead and keep in mind this isn't fine-tuned yet. This is just enough to get it started. Let's prime it again. It might have run out of gas. Nope, still got gas. There we go. Let's try this again. I keep on losing them caps. Vacuum caps popped off again. Well, let's see here. Let's see if it fell down on the floor. I'm missing my vacuum cap that went onto one of the ports on the back side of the carburetor. There it is. Got it. All right. There we go. Let's try this again since I primed it. It's got no exhaust pipe right now, just open manifolds. Oop. Let's do this again. Whew. Check to see how the oil pressure is. Cold start running at cold idle. Got a little over 70 pounds of pressure. Pretty damn good. I knew this was a good engine I got off my buddy. check the coolant level real quick. Oh, come on, Cap. Doesn't look like we have any. No antifreeze. I got antifreeze in the engine. It's been sitting in there for. I didn't fill it up all the way, and it had a real slow leak. I found one of the heater core hoses was loose on the connection anyway. Okay, I went ahead and topped off the coolant. I don't want to run this for too long because I don't have a fan blade put on it yet. It's sitting right there. My main goal was to get it started up and get all the oil and stuff circulated. When I got this block, it had already been rebuilt and sitting for a while, but under a tarp. But not really knowing the condition of it, even though I can trust my buddy up in Springfield. I just want to make sure I went through it with a fine-tooth comb, because this was going in my other buddy's car, and this is going to be a daily driver / display vehicle down at his Dixie Outfitter shop. So I went back through the engine, made sure all the seals were good, replaced the seals, gaskets, made sure everything was torqued to specifications, everything got painted, everything's got done, put back correctly, just to make sure. I rebuilt the carburetor. It's a used distributor, but I think it's an original factory distributor, and it seems to be working fine. Maybe later on I can get send it off to Joe's distributor repair up there in Ohio. He's done all the rest of the distributors for us for the Charger and my vehicles. But anyway, let's fire this back up one more time. I got to work on the carburetor a little bit. The linkage is a little that controls the accelerator plungers a little out of, and the timing. Alright, I don't want to run it too much. I'm in town. I don't want to piss the neighbors off. The garage is like 4 car lengths away from somebody else's house, so anyway, this is the just in case you didn't get to see it, this is the Hazzard County squad car I work on. We're going to try to get this up and running, get the tires put on, new tires put on it, get the exhaust done. I think he's going to buy mufflers and exhaust pipe, and then I've got these factory sections here, and I got a couple new pieces of factory pipe that's been pre-bent at the muffler shop. I think they might be in the trunk here. Let's check. Nope. It's gotta be this one. Oh, no, they're not in here, but I seen them. I know he's got them here somewhere. I'm coughing a little bit because of that smoke from the penetrating oil that came out of the cylinders burning. Anyway, Here's the trunk. I got to clean the trunk up a little bit, but there's the fuel cell that I installed for him. Anyway, that's where we're at. So, and they got the a lot of the back of this car, in front of this car, autographed by people from the TV show. John Schneider. You'll never, let's see, it says you'll never catch me. Yeehaw, John Schneider. James Best, Roscoe, Sonny Shore, and then I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's this autograph way up there, but I can't tell. I think that might be rehearsed or something, that one, but anyway. Next, I get to work on the lights. For some reason, when the lights were working and now they're not, I think it might be these tube connections. I might replace these with updated fuse, little fuse boxes. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video.